Welcome to these back pain relief stretches. Namaste. We start sitting with a pillow under your hips, knees below your hips. Try to open them, open your chest, shoulders back and down, chin to your chest, and lengthen your spine. Place your hands up, make Jian Mudra if you want, index and thumb together. And we are going to start breathing from the bottom to your body to the top. The same inhaling and exhaling from the bottom to the top. Always lengthen your spine. Breathe in by your nose. Feel the wave through your body, inhaling and exhaling two more. Try to connect with this energy. Of calm and relax. Start moving in circles your shoulders and move your head from right to left. Semicircles. Now draw an infinite symbol in front of you. Change the direction. Well done. Now start to drop in front of you, step by step. Shoulders relaxed, neck relaxed. And walk to the right. Open your left side. And now walk to the left, opening your right side. Move to the middle and walk back. Inhale, raise your hands. Exhale, hands to your heart. Now, change your legs, cross legs, and do the same. We're gonna go walking. Walk to the left, inhale and exhale. And walk to the right, opening your left side. Go to the middle and walk back. Upright your pose. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Now we're gonna lean the body to the left and we're gonna change. Place your right hand and go to that side. Open your chest. Well done. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Place your hands on your knees and try to move table in and table out. Inhaling, table out. Exhaling, table in. Now move in circles. Feel your hips. Your shoulders are moving in circles too. Change the direction. Well done. Go again, table in, table out. But now interlock your hands, look up. Exhale and stretch your arms in front. Inhale, look up, stretch. Exhale. Move your hips at the same time. Use your breathing to mark the rhythm. Well done. Take out the pillow. Stretch your legs. Flexed feet. Flexed knees if you want. Inhale and exhale. Full forward. Bring your breathing to the bottom of your body. Inhaling and exhaling as the wave we did at the beginning. Relax your body in Paschimottanasana. And exhaling, go up. Raise your hands. Inhale, exhale, hands to your heart. Well done. Now we're gonna sit again over the cushion. We're gonna take the belt to open the upper back. Knees beside the cushion. Right hand up, left hand below. Well done. If you reach your hands, interlock them. And try to lengthen your spine. Inhale and exhale by your nose. Inhale, look up. Exhale, drop in front. Your hips rested in the cushion. And if you can reach with your forehead the floor. Exhaling, go up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, onto the pose. Relax the shoulders in circles. Inhale and exhale deeply. And now we change side. Left hand up and right hand down. Climb through the belt. Interlock your hands if you reach them. And we're gonna do the same. Root your hips in the cushion. Inhale, look up. Exhale, goes down to the floor. And rest. Use your breathing to open the upper back. And exhaling, roll back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, onto the pose. Well done. Move a little bit your body. Release any tension. Inhale and exhale deeply. We're gonna sit in this pose. Open your chest. Bend your elbows. And exhaling, extend your arms in front. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, extend in front. Inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, flex your spine. Well done. Inhale, open. Exhale, extend. Activate your abdomen. Interlock your hands on your back. Table in. Now inhale, raise your hands. Exhale, hands to your chest. Take off the cushion. We're gonna sit with your bent knees. Extend your arms beside your body and go down just a little bit. Your lumbar is touching the floor and go up. Go down and go up. Hold the pelvic floor. At the same time, you hold and activate your abdomen. Well done. Now we're gonna roll the whole back on the floor. Exhaling, roll your back. Inhaling, go up. Exhaling, roll your back. Inhaling, go up. And stay in this balance point. Find your balance. Hold the pose. And now roll again, hold your back. And stay in Halasana. Place your hands on your back. Try to open your throat. Try to release your face. To make your breath deeper. There is no tension on your body in this pose. You can go a bit farther. You can bend your knees and hug your knees from behind. Stay in Karnapidasana. And very slowly go to Halasana again. Bend your knees and go and turn the pose very slowly. Place your feet on the floor. Inhale and exhale. Move your hips, anteversion and retroversion. Extend your legs. Place your arms below the buttocks. And open your chest and place the crown on the floor. Breathe in Matyasana. Feel your body open. Now open your arms in cross, bend your knees to your chest and let them fall to the right and to the left, controlling this movement from your abdomen, always holding the pelvic floor. Be aware of this part of your body. Hold the pose in one side. You can press with your hands your knees. Go to the center and change and hold the pose. Look to the opposite side of your knees. Now hug your legs in Apanasana. Breathe in and breathe out by your nose deeply. Start moving a little bit, one side to the other. Lay on your side and stay for a bit. Now exhaling, we're gonna go again to a sitting pose, a comfortable sitting pose. Lengthen your spine, move your neck, move your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Engage from your bottom to the top. Place your hands up on your knees. Be aware of the change on your mind and your body. Now wrap your hands, feel the heat, feel this energy, and inhale deeply. And you can massage in your head, wrap again, and inhale deeply. You can massage in your body and wrap again for the third time. And inhale your energy that is complete, is perfect, and it's always there. Enjoy your day. Namaste.